Problem Solving 101. It's what we do. I wanted to share with you a couple of stories today of clients that we helped overcome a situation related to occupancy. Typically, people want to buy a home as a owner-occupied property because A, it allows for a smaller down payment, and B is you're able to get much better terms. The rate is going to be a lot more expensive if you're buying an investment property. A couple of examples of how we were able to help someone dealing with that situation. One, last week we closed a loan where a couple was wanting to buy a home in a different city. It was about an hour and a half south of where they are. They were wanting to buy a home for their kid to live in while they went to college. And in this particular case, we couldn't put the kid on the loan, which is going to be part of the second story I want to tell you. In this particular case, the kid wasn't able to be on the loan. And so what they decided to do was the mom was going to move in with the kid, and she was going to spend the next few years in the home with the kid while their kid went to college. And while the mom was living in the home, the dad was not. However, only one of them needed to live in the home to satisfy the occupancy requirement. So the dad was going to stay back home in his primary residence while the mom moved into the new primary residence and satisfied the occupancy requirements. They were able to buy the home as a primary residence in this case. The key point here is that both parties need not live in the home. Only one party needs to live in the home as their primary residence full time. So the second situation was where they decided to go ahead and put the kid on the loan. And so mom and dad essentially was the co-signers in this particular case. So the kid bought the home. Mom and dad was not going to live in the home. But since the kid was on the loan with them, the kid was able to satisfy the occupancy requirements. And so we've helped two different families find creative solutions to what they thought was an insurmountable problem. If you think you've got a unique situation and you're trying to figure out how you can get into a new home, even if another mortgage lender or another advisor somewhere told you that that wasn't possible given your set of circumstances, maybe talking to someone that has been in the business since 1999 and has helped over 1,000 home buyers with the purchase of their new home might be able to offer some insight to you to help you realize your dream of home ownership as well. Give me a call. I'll be happy to have a conversation with you and see what we can do to help you.